Hello, I got a Kia Spectra 06. Going to change the PCV valve. I have taken the old one out. It goes right here. Let's see if I can put it over here. Whoa, 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 don't let it fall. Go clockwise to tie it. We'll see what kind of tool I will use. Alright, they tied it up. I got 3/16 right here. Go clockwise to tie it up. Still a little loose. Let's see if I can do it on my hand. It's kind of heating. I'm gonna show you in a little bit. It has like a sponge around it. Little cold. Everything is. So this is pretty much the only wrench you can use over here. Okay, so it's pretty tight. Don't tie it too much. You know, like what? Refer to the manual. Refer to the manual. So now this little rubber foam goes right here. As a matter of fact, this is what I took out. So it goes right here. The other one goes over here. So let's yeah, this thing goes right here. Here. That's where we don't see it. And we just put this on. Play with it. Blow like this. Boom. Good. There you go. See, boom and boom. Now you slide the clamps back gently, making sure that you know, don't damage the hose. Gentle, be careful. These pliers are not the best for it, but you know, do the job. Anyway, let's see if I can get this one. They came out with these pliers, so I don't know how they. Anyway, so I gotta get another pair of pliers. So the point is that you have to push this all the way to the back. I'm gonna get a bigger pliers, so I will grab it here and pull it back, and right here. Make sure that there's no holes. There's no air leaks. That's how you change the PCV valve. Take care.